Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. How are you? I'm fine. I hope that you will be all okay and hit from health by the grace of God. Dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home TV, and we are looking the best and reflections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, especially made for rainy season, and completely waterproof and windproof, excellent and romantic hooded raincoat. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next uploading attractive videos. Dear friends, different raincoats, colorful raincoats, long raincoat, raincoats. Please like my video and share my videos. My videos to be end. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Allah Nigeban.